What will you do if your grafted moon cactus grows shoots like this on the side? Should you be happy? Oh, we need to remove this. Why do we need to remove this? It means that if you keep it that way, the nutrients will go to that new growth. It will not sustain this scion, so we need to remove it. Like this one, I can see a new growth here on the side of the rootstock. So if we leave it like this, instead of supporting this scion to grow faster, it will need to support too. It supports the scion and it supports this new growth. And new growth takes more energy and resources, so this scion's growth will stunt. So we need to remove these types of growth on the side of the rootstock. So if you have many grafted cactus, you need to check them every now and then for new growth on the side of the rootstock and remove them.